Hello everybody. In this lab, we are going to configure a network using CLI. So let us consider a network. Here, we are going to use 3 PC0, PC1 and PC2. Let us consider the routers as well. Router 0, router 1, router 2, and let us consider switch as well. Switch 0, switch 1, switch 2. Okay, let us connect these devices. We will be using couple straight 2 to connect PC0 and switch fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 0/2, fast Ethernet 0/1 to fast Ethernet 0/1. Let's do the same with the PC1 as well. Fast Ethernet 0/1 to fast Ethernet 0/1. Same with the PC2 as well. And to connect two routers, we will be using copper crossover. So fast Ethernet 0/0 to fast Ethernet 0/0 after router 1. Same with the router 2 as well. Fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, there is no fast Ethernet interface available. So we need to add a Ethernet interface in router 1. So to do that, click on the router 1 and then a physical tab. So it's in the physical tab now. Now let us turn the power cycle of the device off. Okay, let us turn off the power cycle by clicking in the green signal, and we need to now install the additional interface card. In this case, we are using 1FE2W. So drag and drop it to the physical device. So we are going to drag and drop. Okay, after we dragged, then we use the cover as well. Okay, let's on the power cycle. Okay, now let us connect this using copper crossover, fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 1/0. Now let us give the network ID. For this network, we have altogether 5 network over here. So let us take a place note and give the network ID. For this, let us give 192.168.5.8/30. For this one, let us give 192.168.5.16/30. For this network, let us give the network ID 192.168.1.0/24. For the second network, let's give 192.168.2.0/24. And for the PC2 network, let's give 192.168.3.0/24. Okay, after the network ID are provided, let us give the IP address of each interface. So the IP address for PC0 is, we generally give first IP address, usable IP address of the network. So it's 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Since it is subscripted /24, let us keep the IP address for this interface. For this interface, the IP address is the last usable IP of this network. So the last usable IP is 192.168.1.254 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And for same with the PC1 as well, the IP address is 192.168.2.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the IP for this interface is it's 192.168.2.254 last usable IP of the network and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, let's give it the PC2 as well. It's the same case. So 192.168.3.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and for this interface the IP is 192.168.3.254 255.255.255.0. Okay, after this we can also provide an IP address to this interface as well. For this interface the IP address will be 192.168.5.9 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252 252 because it is subscripted 30. Okay, so for this interface the IP address is 192.168.5.10 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Okay, and for this interface the IP address is 192.168.5.17 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252 and okay, it's okay, let's put over there. IP address is 192.168.5.18 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. We don't need to worry about the subnet mask at this time because we will be figuring out subnet masks in coming lectures.